Hello candidates, welcome once again to another series of my videos considering algebra. In this case, we want to look at the part of polynomials, and it was tested in question 1 of this paper, Cambridge International AS and A level. The paper's code is 9709/22, Pure Mathematics 2. So question 1 reads, when the polynomial ax cubed plus 4ax squared minus 7x minus 5 is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is 33. Find the value of the constant a, 2 marks. So that's just all we are required to answer pertaining to that. And so for the solution to that question, I urge you to join me on the whiteboard. But then what we're going to do on the whiteboard is, by just looking at the question, it means that this is not a factor of this polynomial. So it divides it and we end up with this remainder. So we are going to make use of the fact that if the divisor is x plus 2, then we are going to substitute everywhere there is x, we're going to substitute minus 2 and then equate that the resulting polynomial with the resulting equation, we equate it to 33 to find the value of a. So join me on the whiteboard for the solution. Right, now we look at the solution. We are told that the divisor is x plus 2 and the dividend is ax cubed plus 4ax squared minus 7x minus 5, like that. So we are also told that the remainder, if we consider a factor of that function to be x plus 2, then we've got the remainder to be 33. So we are asked to find the value of a given those conditions. So the first step that we have to look at is we see that this is a leading term of our dividend. So we divide it by x. That should give us a x squared plus. Now, we multiply ax squared by x plus 2. So ax squared times x gives me ax cubed. Then ax squared times 2. Ax squared times x gives me ax cubed. But ax squared times 2 gives me plus 2ax squared. Then I subtract. This minus this is 0. This minus this, I'll have definitely here 2ax squared. Then I bring minus 7x down. Once I've brought minus 7x down, I again divide the leading term by x. That gives me plus 2ax. Plus 2ax. So 2ax times x gives me 2ax squared. Then 2ax times 2 plus 4ax. Subtract again. If I do, this will be minus 7x minus 4ax. In other words, that is because this minus this is 0. So here I will be having minus 7x minus 4ax. I can write this by substituting, by factorizing x. If I do, then I'll be having minus x into 7 plus 4a. That's what I have. Then I bring minus 5. I bring minus 5. After bringing minus 5, then I see that this goes here how many times? It goes minus 7 plus 4a, like that. So I multiply every term here by this. That will give me, what do I have now? What do I have to write here? It will, it will be, if I multiply, I said, okay, if I divide this by this, then it gives me minus of that. So I should be using this to multiply this. So the first term definitely will be minus x into 7 plus 4a. Then I multiply the whole of that by this. So that will give me minus 14 minus again 2 times this, 8a. 8a. Minus again 8a. This is 8a. So it then means that this minus this, if I'm to subtract, then this subtract this definitely is to give me 0. Then I'll be having this other part. So that means, come this end, it implies that minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus I want to, okay, if I have minus 14 minus 8a, that's like saying minus 1 into 14 plus 8a. So if I'm to say minus minus, then that will be a plus, and here I have 14 plus 8a, which is like saying 8a plus 14 minus 5 is equal to, that's the remainder. So that expression here is the remainder, which I then equate to 33. So that should imply that 8a is 33 plus 5 minus 14. So 8a is equal to, this is 38, 38 minus 14, 38 minus 14 is 24. That should imply that a is 3. A is 3. So that is the value we were expected to find, the value of a. So finding the value of a simply meant that we had to go the long division way, making use of the remainder theorem, in which case the remainder here, this one should be equivalent to 33, which we are given, and so we get this as the answer. I'm moving to the next kind of question. So I urge you to follow me through, because I'll be releasing another video that deals with the same content. For now, subscribe, comment, and like. See you in another video.